Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the home screen and the app drawer grid on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to have more icons in the home screen page, then we need to go to the settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and go to home screen. And over here we have home screen grid. If you go over here, then you can set between, you can choose from 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 5, and 5 to 6. So choose the preferred one. And then once you make the changes, you want to press done. Now over here you can also switch the app screen grid if you have home and app screens enabled in home screen layout. And if you go here, then you can do the same thing, so you have the same grid available, and that's pretty much it. Press done in order to apply the changes. And in addition to that, you can also change the folder grid. You can choose either 3 to 4 or 4 to 4. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.